Yeah.
Hey guys, today
Show your face.
this thing that you're supposed to be doing the other person does laugh, so he'll be doing it to me, and I'll be doing it to him. So, let's get started. Me first. You back. Okay. And go. So, this time. I'm just doing that. Okay. So, that's it for today's video. I'm sorry, it's short. And, yes, he's 10. And I'm 8. You know, you turn me on. It's over. So, hope you enjoy it. And the question of the day is, who could you list up, a 11-year-old or a 10-year-old? I'll pick Poe because it's more easier. What would you pick?
Me?
Yeah.
Me, I would go with the same as she picked both, because if you try really hard to do it, you might can do it. You just have to believe in yourself.
So, bye guys.